Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Scionti, Director of the Scionti Prostate Center in Sarasota, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about why you should consider choosing the Scionti Prostate Center for treatment of your prostate cancer. I have been specializing in prostate cancer ultrasound ablation for over 15 years now. This has been my life and my passion for all these years. This really began with the introduction of HIFU technology, in which I spent over 10 years outside of the United States prior to FDA approval, working with our patients to provide them access to HIFU, but also working carefully with the manufacturers to consistently and continually refine and improve HIFU technology and really help with the process of getting HIFU through the FDA. All we do at the Scionti Prostate Center is prostate cancer treatment, and we specialize specifically in the minimally invasive techniques of HIFU and more recently TULSA Pro. I've had the privilege of being involved in the care of over 2,000 patients now who have undergone prostate cancer ablative treatment. And you know, I personally perform every single one of these treatments. I really don't believe in allowing students or extenders or assistants to take care of my patients. So when you come to the Scionti Prostate Center, our staff will do everything they can to prepare you for your time with me. I will spend significant time with you, we'll review your case, and I'll use all my years of experience to create a customized pathway for your care. We have the options of using HIFU and now TULSA Pro when appropriate. And if your cancer can't be well treated by those technologies, I'll use my extensive connections to connect you with some of the best robotic surgeons and radiation specialists in the United States. Our team includes a care team that will guide you through your journey from the time you contact us until you've recovered from your procedure and through your follow-up period long term. Our urology prostate cancer nurse specialist will be with you, preparing you for your treatment and guiding you through your recovery. We have an anesthesia team that we utilize at the hospital where HIFUs are performed and our TULSA Center. These are MD physician anesthesiologists who are really experienced in the requirements to perform a satisfactory and safe HIFU and TULSA procedure. You know, I often hear about centers, particularly with TULSA, where they're starting to take some shortcuts and use sedation and not full general anesthesia for performance of the TULSA procedure. That's a big mistake in my opinion, because any movement of the patient whatsoever during a TULSA procedure and even during a HIFU procedure can result in injury to the patient and can allow energy to go beyond where we precisely targeted. So anesthesia is a big concern and has to be done in a very proper and careful manner. And lastly, long-term follow-up. Your relationship with our center does not end when the procedure finishes. Your prostate cancer will need to be followed up long-term. We keep in touch with our patients continuously, and we provide both on-site and telehealth follow-up visits so that we can monitor you during your recovery and monitor you long-term to deal with the long-term management of your prostate cancer. Lastly, it's so important to consider the entire patient. In our program, we're going to talk about important aspects of your long-term health as relate to prostate health and prostate cancer. Our programs really focus on wellness. We'll talk to you about diets, proper supplements, and maintaining a healthy prostate long term. And my team will reach out to you. They'll get that information to me, and we'll set up a time so that we can have a conversation about your candidacy for this really revolutionary, minimally invasive prostate ultrasound ablation technologies that we employ. Thanks, and I look forward to helping you beat prostate cancer and maintain your quality of life.